Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use pushcut with Zapier integration. So just tap on my Swati browser and I will be on pushcut on official website. So there is 6 steps to create on Zapier. So I will just tap on number one step is create a new pushcut notification. So add a new notification in the pushcut app and set its name. What's the name of your example like Twitter? So title and message will be set dynamically, so they will not matter. So the next step is add a default action. So tap on this default action and select URL. So in the URL field, tap input to use the raw input as the URL to open, and we will later pass in tweets link via the notification input. So just tap done and save to activate this notification. So number three step is create a zap. So go to Zapier and add a new zap. Select Twitter as the trigger and choose the triggering event. This example uses the search mention event with pushcut as the term. So here you will see. So the next step is add send notification actions. So add an action to your zap. Select pushcut and choose send notification. Then the first time you will be prompt to link your account. Follow the instructions and scan the QR code with the pushcut app account scan code. So select the pushcut notification you created before from the drop down and pass in the tweets text and username into a notification. Make sure to pass the URL as the input parameter as it will be used in the default action. So number five step is turn on Zap. So click test continue and verify that your notification behaves correctly. When all is set up to your liking, do not forget to toggle on the switch to activate your Zap. So number six is step fine tune Twitter notifications. So that's it. Your Twitter notifications will arrive exactly as you define them. So you can, of course, use Zapier Power to filter them even more or include different information. If you prefer a third-party Twitter app like Tweetbot, Tweet Traffic, and you can also use custom URL schemes to open your tweet there. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.